This crispy side dish could be used for whatever meal you want, or as a snack. Please leave a like, and if it's your first time here, please consider subscribing. Now let's get started. I'm only making one batch, but you can make as many as you want. It really doesn't matter. In order to make uniform sized french fries, you're going to want to cut off the top and bottom and cut off the edges. Don't throw away the edges, for they make delicious french fries also. Then cut your cubes up into whatever size you want. Either in a bowl of water or under the sink, you're going to clean all your french fries. In order for your french fries to be super crispy, they must be really dry. So make sure to dry them off really well with some paper towel. Once your oil is extremely hot, you're going to turn it down to medium high and add your french fries. A very important rule when it comes to making french fries is just to let them sit and try not to play around with them while they're in the oil. Once the french fries start floating to the top and are golden brown, they are time to come out. If you would like to season your french fries, always add salt first, then you can add some garlic powder, some paprika, and some dried parsley to taste. It's really up to you. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.